Hi guys, let's prepare Holi special colorful custard. First take milk in a bowl, then add pista flavored falooda powder and sugar and then mix it. Then transfer it into a saucepan and cook it over a medium flame, stirring constantly to get a thick consistency. To get another color, take custard powder and sugar, then pour milk and cook it on a medium heat, stirring until it thickens. For the third color, take corn flour, sugar, and then pour milk and add rose syrup and cook it to get a thick consistency. Then take a container and put each colored custard and decorate it with sprinkles. And it is done. This Holi, try this delicious custard and enjoy it with your family. Comment yellow hearts if you like this recipe. Like, share and subscribe for more yummy recipes.